Hi viewers, welcome to this video and today I will be teaching you how to embed Octane AI quiz Shopify. So just let's start. So first of all, open up your Shopify store home page and after that click on this add apps option and after that click on Shopify App Store and after opening up Shopify App Store search here Octane AI. And after searching up Octane AI, just click upon this first option and click on install. And after clicking on install, you guys will be seeing the dashboard of Octane AI. Let it load. And from here, you guys can create the account of Octane AI. Just like, for example, I'm creating an account. And just add some random names of your businesses, just like I'm adding a name of like business crypto, and just click on create account and it will auto connect to your Shopify store. And from here you guys can buy the memberships of Octane AI, and after buying the memberships of Octane AI you guys can easily acquire the quizzes of Octane AI. And that's how you guys can easily embed Octane AI quiz on Shopify. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel, and thanks for watching.